Hi, everyone. This is Jen Tarrant. Hi, everyone. It's Jen Tarrant, yoga therapist and holistic lifestyle coach. And today I'm going to talk about stabilizing in the hips. And this works really nicely together if you pair it with the foot massage or foot rolling videos that I've done before. So really bringing some responsiveness and suppleness to the feet, pairing that with hip stability, and really working to create confidence and stability in movement. So just a couple of things to work on here today. One is to strengthen the outer muscles of the hips that take our leg out to the side. And this is one of our strongest stabilizing muscles in the hips. As we practice these, we want to keep our toes facing forward. As we lift our leg out to the side, we tend to want to turn our toes outward. But if we keep them facing forward and take the leg straight out, we're going to isolate that muscle a little better. I'd also like to mention that a great thing to do here would be to hold on to the wall or perhaps onto a chair for extra support. So we'll get ourselves set up nice and tall in the body, standing evenly on our 2 feet, perhaps touching something for support. And we'll shift our effort over into that leg that's going to be the supporting leg for this one. And we'll begin to take the other leg out to the side. And again, keeping in mind the toes want to turn out, let's keep them forward. And let's do about 10 of these. It's actually better to do them slowly than it is to do them in a quick way. So lifting out slowly to the side and returning back to the center slowly as well is going to build more strength than if we try to do 10 of them really fast. Of course, since I've been talking, I'm not really sure how many I've done, but I think we're getting pretty close to 10. If you've been counting for yourself, then you know when to stop. And then we'll come back to our 2 feet. Then we can hold on to a chair again on the other side or onto the wall. You may appreciate having that extra bit of support. And then let's do the other side, shifting into that standing leg, keeping the knee nice and soft. And let's take the other leg out to the side, take a peek down, make sure those toes continue to point forward as we lift and lower the legs slowly and methodically. We'll probably start to feel that effort in these muscles in the upper back part of the hip. And we're really strengthening there. We may also feel it in the other side as this leg is our stabilizing leg, the one that we're standing on. And especially since we already worked it. All right, I think this is about 10. And then we'll bring it back to standing on our 2 feet. If you're feeling a little sore there, a little bit of side to side motion will be helpful to stretch it out a little bit. All right, another one that's great for developing our hips is to work on these muscles in the back of the hips. And so again, we can hold on to our wall if we like. We'll take one set of toes just behind us and keeping our body nice and lifted. We want to feel these core muscles hug in, straightening through that back leg, and let's simply lift and tap our toes off of the floor and then lowering down. We want to avoid letting our belly push out and our back arch. We'll keep our body as tall as we can, our leg nice and straight, and it's a simple lift and lower, probably just an inch or 2. And we'll do about 10 of those as well. Really feeling the muscles of the hamstrings and of the hips to lift our leg back. After about 10 of those, let's switch to the other side. We'll hold on to our wall or chair, taking the other leg behind. Let's straighten that knee out. Let's feel those core muscles hug in as we begin to lift and lower our leg away from the floor, just little taps down. It's a super small movement, but really effective at isolating these muscles in the back of the leg. And we'll do just a couple more here. And then letting that rest down. All right, another one that I really like explores the range of motion in our hips. And I'll turn sideways again so that we can see a little better. Lift the leg up, circle it around and back, and touch down. Lift it up, circle around and back and down. And let's just do 5 of these. Great big circles. We can feel the leg going all the way around the hip joint. And then we'll do the other side. It really is okay to hold on for these. I'm more interested in what's happening in the hip than being able to do it without support at the hand. So lift it up and around to the side and back down. And lift. Take that knee out wide and back and down. Now let's do 3 more of those. All right, and then bring it back to both feet. If your legs are feeling it, give another little shift from side to side. Feel those legs, relax it out. Let's, as we stand on our 2 feet, lift our toes up, spread them out. Feel the arches of the feet activating, and then lay them down again. And let's do that again, lifting the toes up, spreading them out wide. Feel the arches of the feet lifting, and then relax down. Let's do that one more time, lifting them up, spreading the toes out. Arches of the feet are active, and then let it relax down. All right, that's it for this time. Until next time, bye for now.